Friends, welcome ulit no, sa panibago na namang video. So, for for today's video mga friends, i-explain ko sa inyo yung pinaka-importante na feature ng isang VUL mga friends, no? Kasi, I'm coming from this in the perspective of yung typical viewpoint ng gusto mag-invest sa VUL, no? Ay, obviously, gusto lang patubuin rin yung pera nila, okay? And I'd like to kumbaga raise this point up kung gano'n yung perspective mo, no? Ang pinaka-importanting feature na you got to remember about a BL mga friends is if a premium is not paid, yung payment na kukunin is manggagaling dun sa may account value ng BUL mga friends, no? So ulitin ko mga friends, if a premium is not paid, yung payment is kukunin doon sa account value ng policy mo. Alright mga friends? What this means is that the longer na hindi mong binabayaran yung VUL mga friends, no, the smaller the account value will be. In English, mas liliit yung ipon mo. Okay? Wow, that was in English. Pero anyway, yun, basically, the longer you're not paying your premiums, alright, okay, kung mas marami kang premiums na nami-miss mga friends, lumiliit yung account value mo nun mga friends, no, and therefore, lumiliit rin yung ipon mo. Alright mga friends? So, it is highly suggested na kung ikaya ng VUL mga friends, na you don't miss payments. Okay? I think napaka common sense naman na to when it comes to paying for your insurance plan mga friends, no? Any kind of insurance plan basically. You don't miss payments. Alright mga friends? And especially especially do sa mga gusto mag-invest or VUL, gusto yung convenience ng VUL, okay? You gotta remember this mga friends, okay? Pag hindi bayad yung premium mo, yung premium for that period, okay, kukunin yon sa my account value. Alright? Therefore, in the meantime, liliit yung account value mo. Okay? So, in the meantime rin, liliitin yung ipon mo or yung naitabi mo ba. So, mga friends, konting PSA na rin. It's not gonna be too long, okay? It's short and sweet. Pero, for all my VUL owners out there and yung sa mga interesado mag-invest or bumili ng VUL na plan, ulitin ko ulit for the nth time. If a premium is not paid, yung pambayad nun is kukunin mula sa account value mo. Alright mga friends, thank you for watching mga friends. Okay, like, comment, subscribe or follow mga friends, you know, for more videos like this. Salamat ulit mga friends and see you on the next one.